What's up, guys? Back with another video with another vacuum. Today we're going to be vacuuming with the Bissell Powergroom Helix Rewind. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be vacuuming this rug and this rug, and also this area, some of this area around here, and a little bit over there. Just a little bit of a area vacuum. But the main thing is to vacuum. Holy crap, it's good. Freaking crap. But sorry about that. That just scared the living crap out of me. So yeah, we're gonna be vacuuming these two rugs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So we're going to be doing this with the Bissell Powergroom Helix Rewind. And I'll show you the plate model and the model information and all that stuff. Alright. Bissell model 98N4S. Made in 2014, 317th day of 2014. 10 amps, not an 8 amp, 10 amp. And this model is discontinued, as well as that vacuum over there, which I'm going to be doing a video on really soon. And that model over there is also discontinued. All these vacuums I got, except for the Shark Deluxe, all these vacuums I have are discontinued, except for the Shark Deluxe. I'm not sure, but I'll look up the Shark Deluxe, the Shark Lift Away Deluxe. So I'm not sure if those are discontinued, but I know these Bissells that I got, and well, I'm not sure if I did a video on my Eureka Super Broom. I'm not sure. Let me know if I did not do a video on my Eureka Super Broom. But those things are, those Eureka Super Brooms are, or that the model I have is discontinued. But yeah, that vacuum over there, this vacuum here, and the Eureka Super Broom. All three of these are discontinued. I'm not sure about the Shark Deluxe though. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Get my camera focused. Okay. It's really not wanting to focus. There we go. Alright. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Bissell Powergroom Helix Rewind vacuuming these 2 rugs and a little bit of this bare floor here. So yeah, that pretty much ends this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And Largemouth Bass Studios, your 2191 request is coming soon. Right when I get back to my house, but your request is coming soon. But like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, guys, peace.